This is Today in Amarillo.
Hi, and welcome back this morning to Today in Amarillo. We are joined by Tyler. He's talking about monster trucks, and the more we talk about this, the more excited I am about this event. It sounds like a great time. Tell us about it.
Well, it's this Friday and Saturday. We've been doing a series in Oklahoma, not Arkansas, Farmington, New Mexico, and now we're here for the finals this weekend, and it's going to be a blast.
So is it actually a competition? I don't know.
Yes.
You're probably familiar with this, Nick, but I'm not.
That's all right. Ask away.
Tell us a little bit about the competition aspect of it.
Competition, we do a wheelie contest, we do a crush contest, and then we have side-by-side racing is where it gets awesome. Both trucks firing up at the same time. I mean, you can feel that 1,800 horsepower truck just blowing on your chest. It was crazy.
Oh my gosh, it sounds like it. So
Yeah.
how much do these vehicles, I guess you'd call them, trucks, cost? These are a big deal.
Hey, they're monster
Yeah,
trucks.
they're
lady.
massive.
With a monster price. I mean, the low end is about $100,000. They can get up to 150 to 200,000. It's crazy
How
what
do
they
you
put
get
into.
involved in this? I mean, do Nick and I just wake up one morning and decide a career change is in store and drop the $100,000?
I think I just had that moment.
Well, I don't know if your Prius can be lifted that high, but we could maybe try. We can maybe try a new sport.
Work something out.
I don't know. Bring it out. Bring it out this weekend. Let's see if we can get it up in the air. Maybe put it in the back of one of the trucks while we're hitting
Hopefully
jumps.
not the one under the truck that's being crushed.
Yeah.
So it's tomorrow and Saturday, 7:30 p.m. at the Amarillo National Center. Only $15 or $23. What's the difference in price?
Kids and adults.
Okay, kids and adults. So a whole family event. A lot of fun. Maybe Nick and I will go.
Hey, you know
You
what?
should come out.
I might
fun.
try and get out to this this pit party
yeah, we have to show the
beforehand here.
poster.
What's going on with that?
At 6 o'clock, which is when you guys will be there, hopefully, you can come out there, take pictures with the trucks, get autographs, and go in the ride truck for a ride.
Very cool. And we'll have more from you in just a few minutes. Tyler, thanks
you.
so much for joining us this morning. Well, coming up on KMR NBC4's Today in Amarillo, we're going to